Hey girls, I'm back with another wig review. If you're interested in this particular wig right here that I am wearing, I said that's so weird. If you're interested in the wig that I got on, go ahead and click the link above, and then also I will also have a link in the description box. I usually post video before I actually get home to make sure that the card is up, but I do end up putting the card up. But yeah, it's gonna be in the description box. Okay, so thank you for returning to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can stick around, and we can go ahead and I can keep rolling out these wig reviews for you. So today's wig was sent to me by Main Concept. They are an umbrella company to the Red Carpet Premiere line, the Melanin Girl line, and Brown Sugar. They got a bunch of them underneath that Main Concept line. So this one is from the Red Carpet line, and her name is it's a Fashion Girl wig. And this is RCP 7036 Fashion Girl 01. We're gonna call her Keisha, okay? And they sent her the color in the color Peacock. So Keisha looks like this. Okay, so it is a silky texture. She is a hot pink. It reminds me of the wig. I'll post the link also, but I made like a fuchsia pinkish type of wig, and this definitely reminds me of it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so she's a lace front unit. Lace front lace parting unit, two really small combs in the front, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. The lace is tinted to my complexion, so that's so perfect for me. She looks like she's layered pretty well. She's a little, I feel like the ends are thin, which is good because you want it to mimic real natural like bundle hair, but it's kind of thick right here, so I might thin it out like in this area. Oh, because we are gonna finesse this wig. Don't worry. I asked y'all a poll. I was like, is y'all tired of me seeing me finesse the wigs, or y'all just want to see me plop them on my head and go about my day? And the majority of y'all said y'all like seeing me finesse the wigs, so that's what we're gonna continue to do. Okay. Let's see. So the hairline is boxy. Most synthetic wigs come with boxy hairlines. It's not really a lot of room to pluck, so I might just pluck the baby hairs. The lace parting area, it's always going to need some work, guys. The lace parting area is always going to need some work. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off, put her on, and then we can see exactly what we're working with, okay? Okay, be right back. Okay, so I have her on my head. She's pretty thinned out, to be honest. Like, I don't think I'm going to have to go in. There's short hairs in the back. I don't know why. I'll put the comb back there just to secure it. Remember, I don't have any hair anymore, so the combs really don't bother me. I did try to put her past my hairline as much as I could because I do want to still lay some baby hairs, even though this wig, sorry, I got carried away. Even though this wig has a horrible hairline and it doesn't really leave me much room to pluck it the way I like, I'm going to still lay some baby hairs down. I'm just not going to be able to, I'm not going to waste my time gluing her down. So yeah, I mean, you could glue her down, but I'm probably going to lay it down just until there.
I
Okay, y'all, so I know that was fun to watch. I finessed this wig. It looks really good. I really didn't have to do much of this wig. This wig was super easy. I just thinned it out a little bit more to my liking, as far as like up here and like this area, because it was kind of bulky like in this area. So I thinned that out just a tan, just a smidgen. The one thing I noticed about this wig, oh, before I get into that, your girl had a boo-boo and I over plucked right here. Hopefully y'all ain't noticed too much, but I just laid the baby hairs like up to here. I didn't glue the wig down, so I just laid the baby hairs like up to here, like I like the area of a frontal, you know, frontal be like right here. So I just did that, and I plucked it and I thinned it out. I didn't even have to put like straight in or put any heat to it because it comes already straight. She is a good length. So I would say about, she's layered, so longest length being 18 inches, shortest being like 12, 14, something like that. So what I can right say, so I did say before that she is a silky texture, but she's really not. She's kind of yucky. She's more so yucky, but not like a light yucky. And if you notice my hands, I don't know if y'all can see, but my hands are red now because, or pink, because this hair is bleeding. And that's the first time I've ever experienced a colored wig bleeding. So I can tell that they dyed the hair. There are companies that do dye the hair instead of having the hair come already pink, because it is man-made. So you can man-make pink hair and blue hair and whatnot, or you can get white hair and dye it, and that's how I think they did. So it is rubbing off on my hands a lot. It's rubbing off a lot. I look like a dirt ball now. So I do like the color though. It reminds me, like I said, it reminds me of the wig that, I don't know if I said that, cause I thought I cut off or whatever, but it reminds me of the wig that I personally dyed myself, like a fuchsia color, and I will have it down in the description box if you want to see that. If you're just adamant about wearing human hair and you want this color, you can see it down in the description box. And yeah, but overall I really like this wig. It's natural, like it flows really natural. I didn't have to customize it a lot. This was a breeze. This was super easy. Okay, if you like this color, oh, let me say some, where's the stock card? Yeah, I'm gonna show you the other colors it does come in. So it comes in, this is the front of the card. So this is pressed rose and aspen gold. I thought that was really nice. It's actually like a dark rooted, like a peach at the dark root, and then it goes into the yellow. I thought that was really nice. And on the back it shows the peacock. It looks red on the card, but it's not. It's actually it's called pink peacock. It's this really nice fuchsia color. And then you have fiesta and living coral. So I thought these are really like nice colors. The blend was really good on the ones that are blended. But yeah, I like this color. So I'm gonna wipe this off, this brush that I had earlier. I don't think it's gonna, oh, that's too light. Let me see the red. It kind of fixed it. It kind of gave it an illusion. So it's not bad. Okay, so I saved it. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and like do my dance and whatnot. And thanks for watching. Go ahead and follow me on social media. I have a Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All those links will be down in the description box. Bye.